Welcome back everyone. In this 5-minute Ableton Live tutorial, we're going to create an awesome Anyma style lead that sounds like this. So here we are in Ableton Live, and we want to go to Instruments and drop in a wavetable. And then we want to move the position of oscillator 1 up until we get somewhere in between a triangle and a saw wave. Now we want to activate oscillator 2 and do the same thing but raise it a little bit higher. I'll turn that down a little bit. Now we'll add some detune to oscillator 2. Add a shimmer unison. We want to change it to mono and set the glide to about 60. Okay, now just click on the frequency of the filter, go to matrix and set LFO 1 to 100. Now go to mod sources, LFO 1 and change the waveform to a sawtooth. Now we want to change this shape to give it a bit of a sharper attack, like that, about there. And then move over to the rate, and this is the part that we want to control. Okay, next up we want to add a delay, so audio effects, and we want this delay to be quite subtle, so we're going to bring that right down to the lower frequencies there, the lower mids, take the dry wet to about 30 and set it to ping pong to give it some width. Next we're going to drop in a reverb. Make sure we're using our low cut there. Raise the decay. Take the dry wet down to about mid-20s. Low cut about 200. And finally, we want an EQ to get rid of those lower frequencies. So we want a low pass filter at about 100 Hz. Now to give us more control over that LFO rate, if we highlight all the devices, and then we can right click or Command G and create a group. And if we tap on this symbol here, we can show our macros. Right click on the LFO rate and choose Map to Macro 1. And now we've got control with this macro over that LFO rate. So if you found this useful, give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more cool tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.